Size here. I want you to take a piece of paper and make a line in the center. Okay? So you're going to make a line in the center. Then I want you to make 5 lines this way. Not all the way down, just 5 lines. Do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I want you to put A, E, I, O, U. Are you ready?
Sorry, I do put on the paper.
Yeah. And what I want you to do is, you know, in English we call this A. Kind of a stupid name. A. And so we say something like day. And you write the word day here. D-A-Y. Right? Is that good?
Yes.
Okay. And then I want you to put the word C and Pete. Like we have the name Peter. Okay. Pete. And then over here, I want you to put bite. Like you take an apple. That's bite, right? And then let's use a word like hope and go. I want you to be clear. Many people make it short. They go, hope. Hope, hope. There's an O, O. I know that sometimes U.S. people speak quickly, but we need to hear you say hope. Go ahead. Hope.
Hope.
Yeah.
Hope.
Go. Go down the street. Go. That's good.
Go.
And then here I like to put the moon. I want eventually to have a picture for each one of these, but this is a moon. Long, right? Moon. This right here is the sun. Okay? So, the moon and the sun. I call this the moon-sun method because I want you to... I'm not using crazy alphabet. If you studied perhaps, I don't know, there's a very silly system. They go like this. And this sound here, they want you to write cut. And this is a special sound, that perhaps you don't have in your language. It's ugly.
Cat.
No.
Cat.
Yeah. Like you're pushing something. Cut. Well, that's a very crazy system to learn. So I just want you to say sun. Go, say sun.
Sun.
Perfect. You got the sound. That's the sound I want. Sun. And so you also have the word fun.
Fun.
Perfect. Good. Now, for each of these, we have the opposite. Like, I think you know the word hate. I hate.
Hate.
I hate broccoli. It's not very nice, but it's good for you. And then, of course, we have hat.
Hat.
Good. We have Pete and we have pet. Do you know what pet means?
Yes, a small domestic animal.
Good. And we also have a verb when we say, I will pet the dog.
Well,
Is this new for you? You say, I will...
well, actually, yes.
Yeah.
I thought that the verb from this word means actually if I will have a dog, I will pet him.
Yes, very good. That's good. Yeah, it's the action. Many times in English we take a thing and we make a verb. So it's interesting. So the next word is bit. Remember we had bite and now we have bit. We had Pete and now we have pet. We have hate and we have hat. I hope you are watching. I only take away the E at the end. Do you see this? Right. So we have hate, hat, repeat. Okay, that's British pronunciation. Hot. Oh yes, very good. I think your accent is very good. The problem comes between hat and hot. We have to be very clear. The British people say, "Oh, I can't quite find my heart," and then it's very hot in here. And sometimes the two words are very close. Hat, hot, ah. Go ahead.
Hot, hot.
Good, good. That's very clear. You have a clear difference. Hot. And some people say car. Car.
Car.
Good. Hot.
Hot.
Good. See? So you have the same sound. It's very confusing in English that you can have an O, which sounds like ah. And we have father. So we have father, car, hot. It's all ah. Go. Father, car, hot.
Father, car, hot.
Perfect.
Hot.
Very good pronunciation. We have now done 10 sounds. I want you to make a box at the bottom. I don't know if you have space, but I want to put boy. I want to put house, foot. We have one more, dog. I think you know the word. Did you see a dog yesterday? Yes, I saw a dog. Repeat, I saw a dog.
I saw a dog.
Ah, you said so. Saw. Go.
So.
Yes, okay.
So.
It's not so because so is up here. It's O. This is aw. And I want you to move your mouth down. I saw.
I saw.
Excellent. That's what I like to hear. So we have some crazy words. I have, when we talk about talk, aw. Go. Talk.
Talk.
Yes. You're using the same sound. I know it's crazy that dog, talk, and saw, they're spelled differently, but go ahead. Dog, talk, saw.
Dog, talk, saw.
I want longer with dog. Go ahead, dog.
Dog.
Yes, excellent. See, part of the problem with the English is when we are reading something. Let's say, what to eat now. Do you see what I said? What to eat now. Repeat.
What to eat now.
If you notice, you spend time here, you spend time here, and because these are, each of them are very important. What to eat now. I almost did not say to, and you can understand me. The reason is we have the most important words are shown, okay? I don't know if you can read this. Stop living with a paper monster. So what do you think are the most important words here? And what part?
Well, I think, yes, the verb.
Yeah, the verb is important. Good. I think I would talk about these. Maybe this one too. Each one that I've circled, I want you to say stronger. Go ahead.
Stop living with paper monster.
Excellent. You notice, you automatically made each of them stronger with your voice. Your voice went up and louder. plus you made it longer. Stop living. If you listen to yourself, this is longer. You don't say living, living, living. Stop living with a paper monster. Monster. Ooh. And if I say it quickly, stop living with paper monster. You can almost get all of the information. Stop living paper monster. And the with, you can, oh, okay. If you ignore parts of the sentence that are not important, you can understand the sentence. And that's what I want you to do practicing. Do not give equal time to each word. I want you to choose the most important words. Stop living with a paper monster. This is a first-time reader. Где гостиница дружба? Извините, пожалуйста. That's how I learned Russian originally. But then I said, извините, пожалуйста, где гостиница дружба? So I knew to push. My accent is not perfect. But, извините, пожалуйста, товарищ. I'm pushing some part of the phrase. Do you agree?
Well, yes.
Good. So the same thing with any sentence in English. I want you to choose the most important part and push it. Okay? And so there's some homework for you. Okay. The next time you call, I want you to have some sentences that you practiced. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to our next meeting.